Come test drive the 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.